Hello and welcome back to LearnSBOM.com. My name is Brian, and today I will review an open source program called GoBOM, developed by Mattermost. It can generate an SBOM for Go, NPM, CocoaPods, and Gradle projects. The Gradle and Go versions require Gradle and Go to be installed respectively. On the other hand, the NPM and CocoaPods projects read the log files, and therefore have no dependencies. GoBOM provides one main option for installation, this is not updated, and that is through the Go command line tool. You have to have Go installed, but once you do, just run go install github.com/mattermost/gobom/cmd/gobom at latest. This will download the repository and build it. Once installed, you can run GoBOM. This will display some information about the program and different subcommands. Today we'll focus on the generate functionality and briefly overview the other functionalities later. So we have a Go project open right now. To get started with generating an SBOM, just run gobom generate dot. You will receive a barebones SBOM in your standard output. This SBOM is an XML or CycloneDX format, as you can see. If we look at the README on GitHub, we'll see a note here on what GoBOM specifically does not do. It does not analyze any of the vulnerabilities. It only supports a small subset of the CycloneDX spec, and the tool is not guaranteed to work with other tools. And now you may be asking, well, if this tool is simply generating SBOMs, then what else would the tool be doing anyways? And that's where we get to the second part of the tool. GoBOM is also a dependency track client. Built into the tool, instead of receiving the SBOM in standard output, we can have the output directly uploaded to dependency track. The way we do that is by running gobom generate -- URL, put the URL here, -- key, put the API key here, and then -- project. Let me put the project here. And then we just finish it with the dot because this is a Go project, and we run it. We have another video on our channel that covers dependency track, if you're interested in that. Lastly, the generators are all modules that plug into the main GoBOM system. Here, there's documentation about how you can write your own generators. Overall, GoBOM is a decent tool for teams with specific needs. GoBOM does not support many formats, but this makes sense, as GoBOM's main goal is to simply get the information to dependency track. It was likely developed by Mattermost to scan their own projects, seeing as generators are only implemented for a few different languages. That being said, teams that use the same tech stack as Mattermost, are willing to write their own generators, or who wish to use dependency track for analysis, should definitely consider GoBOM as one of their primary SBOM tools. That's it from me, thank you for watching, and have a good day.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.